After about 14 hours of rain delay between 2 days at the Miami Open, the beat goes on. As, here we go, 3-time Grand Slam winner Andy Murray, in an inspiring win, took down Thomas Martin Echeverry 7-6, 6-3. It was the biggest win for Murray in 10 months. This will be my last Miami Open. That's what Murray told me after the match. The former number one is on to the third round. Americans Taylor Fritz, Tommy Paul, and Frances Tiafoe were all bounced on Saturday. Naomi Osaka, she took care of business as she took down Elena Svitolina, and Iga Swiatek went ahead and dominated Camila Giorgi. In an electric match on court number one, Christopher Eubanks, he needed 2 tiebreak sets to take down Danielle Evans, and it was an electric match on court one. On Stadium Court, Carlos Alcaraz, the world number one man, well, he went ahead and took down fellow Spaniard Roberto Viena. On Sunday, big names like Coco Gauff and Yannick Sinner will be 2 big names on the men and women to keep an eye on.